Just got finished putting the fenders on, bolted down, all of the spacers on, trying to get my body lines right. Let's see. Just put my last two body bushing on. You can see the little grease. Just got it up, bolted up. Don't have it torqued down yet. You can see. That's it. That's how it's gonna look. A couple of more things like headlight wires. Crimp them down. I gotta put my oil temperatures, oil sensor on, oil pressure sensor. Couple of those things, but this it right here. Had to do my door jams. My inner fender, you can see I painted all that. Let's see that? Got my antenna deleted. Shit. I think it's gonna look good. Start putting everything back together. Let's see, I gotta run my fuses, tighten it down, but I got my PCM. Gotta hook my battery up in the starter and run my wires. Hook my battery up in the trunk. One more wires. I should have did this a little longer because I wanted it to come around. I may take it off. I thought it was gonna be long enough. I wanted it to come around and come around to the back instead of being right there. I'll figure that out. That's it, guys. Hope y'all like it, man. Move on. Try to get this thing done. Stay tuned.